What I eat in a day, summer edition. Let's get started with breakfast because I'm hungry and my stomach is growling and I'm very hungry. Okay, so for breakfast we're starting off real simple with a bagel. These are the blueberry bagels by Dave's Bread. They're really good. I really like these. They kind of taste like blueberry and cinnamon. It's a good combination. I would recommend these. So I'm going to toast this for a bit, and then on top of that I'm going to put this peanut butter. This is the Simply Truth organic peanut butter. For some reason I think this is my favorite peanut butter because I think they just added a little bit more salt, which makes it taste really good. So while I wait for that to toast, I'm gonna heat up this coffee. This is just black coffee. I have to heat it up because it was made like 3 hours ago by my parents, so. And now we wait. Definitely using a Christmas mug even though it's July, but that doesn't matter. Anyway, as I said like a billion times before, is that I have to eat breakfast in the morning or else not good. Not good at all. But this breakfast should fuel me for my workout, which I'm gonna do before lunch, and yeah. Bagel is toasted, let's peanut butter it. And yes, I just turned that into a verb. See you at lunch. So it's a little bit later now, obviously it's lunchtime. I have some hummus on pita bread. This pita bread is really good and this hummus is really good, and there's also some olive oil drizzled on top of it. It's a good lunch for after when I've worked out. And then I have some fruit. I have green grapes, which are super summery, and these taste really good. I like green grapes better than red grapes. And then I also have a full apple too, which is, you know, apples are always good. So that is lunch. I'll probably have another snack later and then dinner. So snack number one is rainbow goldfish. I literally eat these constantly, and I mean like constantly. I've eaten them at least in like 5 different videos, but they're just so good. I think they taste better than the regular goldfish. They just have a lot of salt in them. I keep talking about salt too. I really like salt, I guess. But for me, they're just a really good light snack for when you're slightly hungry but not too hungry, and they're not super filling, but they're filling just enough if you just want a little bit of a boost. I literally eat these like a child. First I eat the yellow ones, and then I eat all of the orange ones, and then I eat all of the green ones, and then I eat all of the purple burgundy ones. And they're like all supposed to be the same flavor, except each color tastes different to me, so, you know? Good. Okay, I really need to get a taller tripod because I'm sick of having to lean over every single time I want to be in frame, because if I actually stand up straight, can't see the top part of my head. Anyway, it's time for snack number 2. This isn't even really a snack. I mean, it is a snack, but it's liquid. Is what I'm saying making sense? Probably not, but whatever. So, smoothie time. So comment, I think bananas add so much to a smoothie. They really give it the best texture, I think. So that's my smoothie tip of the day, in case you were wondering. Also, sometimes I put matcha powder in smoothies too, but I'm not gonna do that right now because it's too late for caffeine and I actually want to sleep tonight. And no, I don't measure anything. I'm too lazy for that. I just eyeball it. And there you go, smoothie is made. It took 10 seconds to blend this. Yeah, this looks really good. Okay, so it's dinner time now. It's rainy out. That's why the lighting is all artificial and not natural, but that doesn't really matter. So dinner, shout out to my mom who made this. My family really likes to have this type of dinner for dinner with the greens and all this type of stuff. This is a veggie burger. It's really good. I really like the flavor of it. It's one of the best veggie burgers that I've had. And then on top of it, I have this vegan cheese, which I think is made out of coconut milk, and it's really good. And then there's also some fresh onions, fresh avocado, pickles, which I like on the side and not on top of the burger, which some people might think is weird, but I really don't care. And then this bun with lots of seeds on it, salt and pepper tater tots, and then this vegetable mix as a side. It's from this really cool like big pack from Costco where there's a bunch of variety and stuff. It's called the Normandy mix if you want to get it. It's really good. There's carrots, more carrots, broccoli, and cauliflower, and some other things that I don't know what the names are. But yeah, that's dinner. I'm hungry. Let's start eating.